everyone, and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast video update. My name is Eric. Today is the 14th of August around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and today we're going to take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia is a very interesting market at current levels, and I'm going to explain to you guys why do we say that. Nvidia is showing you the near future and the long-term future of the market, and it's because a very interesting relationship that has created within his grand super cycle that we can determine that is interesting and is showing the near future and the long-term future of the market. Let me explain first what is a nest. We're gonna get back and we're gonna show here what is the nest. A nest in Elliott Wave theory is the combination of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 through 2, 3 series of 1 with a separation extension in wave 3 of 3, and then 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. That's what is called a nest. And the 5-way concept in the Elliott Wave theory is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So as we always say, 3 ways doesn't make a trend. So Nvidia, within the grand super cycle, right? This is Nvidia within the grand super cycle. So what do we have there in Nvidia within the grand super cycle? This is the zero line in Nvidia, right here, the all-time lows. Nvidia went and correct the all-time lows in a cycle that ended on November 2021. And then Nvidia put back in 3 weeks, and then now Nvidia has reached the target area from this blue box area presented to members. So our members bought Nvidia right here. They should be taking target money out of the market at 453.80 area, and that's the reason of the pullback in Nvidia, that it reached our target. Now, I want you guys to understand something. In the market, there is always two sides. There are the buyers and there are the sellers. But sometimes we get confused about the sellers, because in this case of Nvidia, yeah, it reached 453. It collects within the grand super cycle. It reached 453. But this pullback can be a profit taken from the smart buyer that bought it here. So Nvidia now is showing you the short-term path. What is the short-term path? A warning that Nvidia trading into that area is an indication that this cycle from the October of 2022, it should be ending soon. That's the short-term warning, right? And I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add right here, for example, Nasdaq in top of Nvidia. And you guys can see how Nasdaq hasn't even taken the highs, but Nvidia took the highs and reached the equal legs. So Nasdaq is also about to end that cycle. What is the warning? That soon the ETF, the stocks and the indices, they soon should be ending the cycle from October of 2020, and a pullback will be happening. What will be the pullback after? What will be the outcome, better say, after the pullback? Let's say that Nvidia goes over here, right? Let's say that Nvidia goes over here. From that area, Nvidia has 2 ways. Either become a wave 5, and Nvidia goes and do a 4 and it do a 5. That's one way. Or Nvidia trade the nest, and right now we are over here, and then a huge upside comes into place. So Nvidia again is showing you a short-term warning, but it's clarifying a long-term view, which is that no crash is gonna happen around the market, and that the indices and the stocks and ETF, after finishing 2022, they will stay higher. They will stay higher either into a wave 5 or either into a powerful wave 3 of 3 of 3. I would have to say that, for example, that Nvidia is one of the, that in Elliott Wave forecast, we follow a technique, which is follow the instrument that they're saying something. At this stage, Nasdaq is not saying anything, but when you look at Nvidia, it's saying a lot. So we label Nasdaq based on Nvidia. In other words, we are not too bullish in Nasdaq now, neither the S&P, but we understand that because we understand that a pullback is coming. But we cannot call a crash in Nasdaq or the S&P knowing that Nvidia is just 3 weeks within the grand super cycle. This is an example of an instrument that is calling the shot, an instrument that is telling you what is the right side. And the right side in the indices is very bullish on the weekly and the monthly cycles. Why? Because Nvidia is showing the future, also showing the short-term path, in which you have to be long with a little bit of caution right there, because at any moment we're going to see a pullback across the market. That's how we see it. That's what Nvidia is reaching. It reached warning areas. It's showing a warning, but it's also showing the future path. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and join us with this promotion that we're running right now, in which we have for unlimited time the 50% off of the first month of membership, or take the 14 days trials for just $9.99. That's the video for today. See you guys around. Thank you guys all, and have a good day.